Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Steps Towards Crafting, and in today's video I am going to teach you how to make a name feather dream catcher. So this is the product we are going to make today, and this is a very fun project which you are definitely going to love making. The requirement to make this project are as shown on your screen. So let's begin. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Steps Towards Crafting. I am owner and founder of the brand. So this is the acrylic name cutout. It is not dirty, it is like having a skin on it to protect the golden acrylic from wear and tear. We will be needing some beads, so you can take any sort of bead. I am taking these golden beads. Then you will be requiring some colorful feathers, uh, this kind of thread. Like there are two type of threads which are available in the market. One is like a synthetic one. This is synthetic one which I am using over here, and the other one is cotton, so you can use any. Beside that you will be needing scissors and fabric glue. So first of all, let's remove the skin from the acrylic cutout. I have provided the link to buy this acrylic cutout in the description box. This is a customizable cutting and it can be done in various colors like golden, black, white and others. So you can look out. To start with the project, we have to take this thread and like you can measure the thread, like how long you want the hangings to be, and cut the thread. So you will be needing 3 threads for it, minimum 3. I mean, depending upon the size you can use 3 threads or 5 threads, like that. So here I have measured like what length I want for my hangings, and I have cut 3 threads over here. Once your threads are done, just fold them into half. Make a take the closed end, put it over like this from on the bottom of the cutout, and pull the open threads out of that loop. This will connect the thread to the cutout without any knotting. This itself is called lark's head knot in the macrame terminology. So I am going to connect all the 3 threads in the same way. After connecting the threads, we will be like using our beads and feather to decorate the threads, and we will be like securing them using the fabric glue. So wait and watch how this is going to work out. If you are finding this like little slow, you can change the speed to 1.5x. Now all my threads are like in place. Now I'm going to add the beads in that. So I'm putting the bead from both the threads in one go, and I will be attaching the beads to the threads like that. Okay, all the 3 beads are in place, and now we are going to secure them using the fabric glue so that they don't change their position and disturb us. These are the kind of feathers we are going to use. So you can use like single color feathers or 2 color feathers or multiple color feathers, so whatever you feel like you can use. Now I am applying a small dot of fabric glue on the top of the bead and like securing it with the thread so that it doesn't move. After applying the glue, hold it for few seconds so that it is like stick properly. Okay, now that part is done. Now we are going to add the feathers. Now take the feather, apply the glue to the end of it and just insert the feather into the hole of the bead, one from the upside and one from the downside. Let me show you what I am saying. So I have inserted one feather each in each of the 3 beads. Now I am going to attach the second feather in each of the bead. Like this. So using this way you are going to like hide the thread as much as you can, and thread will be barely visible in the finished product. So this is how we are going to do it. We will keep on adding the beads and we will keep on adding the feathers in the beads, and this is how like we are going to complete this project. So now enjoy watching this video, the whole process, and in the end I am going to show you who is assisting me today in the making of this video. So stay tuned, you are going to love it. With this, the whole dream catcher is ready. Now we are going to attach a hanging on the top of the cutout, so that we can actually hang it somewhere, like in the car or in the like room, on the wall, like wherever you want to hang it, you can hang it. Basically this is mostly used in the car rear view mirror. So again, like I have cut a thread, I have made that lark's head knot over here. I am going to add a bead, and once the bead is added, I am going to like make a knot on the top of the bead so that it doesn't move out, and also will apply some glue so that it doesn't come out in at any cost. Okay, and with this project is done almost. We are on verge of finish this project. So yeah, this is how, like, it was very easy project, and you can definitely make it. These feathers and everything are easily available on the craft shop nowadays. Now meet my assistant, and she was my assistant for today. क्या बनाया हमने?
आज हमने बनाया Dreamcatcher।
हाँ, अच्छा बनाया ना?
हाँ,
कलर्स किसने चूज करे?
मैंने।
आप बना लोगे अब इसको?
नहीं,
नहीं, क्यों? बना लेना।
क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ती है इसके लिए।
अच्छा. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you for staying till end. Do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Have a nice day.